Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class. Good morning, my dear students. I hope that all are fine. Today, I am also very fine. During this COVID-19 condition or situation, that means now we are suffering from Omicron. But our school, Samsullah Khan School and College, provides online class to continue. This is Muhammad Wahidur Rahman Raju, Assistant Teacher, Science, Samsullah Khan School and College, English version. Always I say, during this pandemic situation, we should read properly in our house. And always I say, more you read, more you learn. It's a proverb. Now, let's go our lesson now. In previous class, took Sheikh Yasin sir, we know, and Sheikh Yasin sir took chapter 3 we know, and the topic was fruits, vegetables, seeds. Also, sir discussed another two topics or short question also, fill in the blanks, true or false. That means fruits, vegetables and seeds. These are the three parts of a plant, and these are essential parts of plants. We know fruits. The first one, fruits, Bengali meaning fall. Plants always make fruit, and we can say that plants always grow fruits, and these types of plants is mainly called flowering plant. And now second one, vegetables, Bengali meaning vegetables, shak sabji, and human being, that means we use a different parts of plants as vegetable, such as roots, stems, leaves, etc. The best example is carrot. We use carrot as roots for vegetables. Now, also another, some plants leaves also use as vegetables, spinach, etc. And also vegetables is very important for human body or for human beings. And the last one, seeds. Most of the plants make seed, and especially from seed plants grow, we know. So seeds also very important parts of a plants. Now fill in the blanks and true false. Also in this chapter, that means chapter 3, fill in the blanks and true false present, we know. And page number, we know, page number 18. This is 18 number page, we know, 18 number page, some true false present, true false and fill in the blanks present. And already Yasin sir complete these lessons, and also this is the previous lesson, chapter 3, we know, chapter 3, fruits, vegetables and seeds, different types of flowers present and also fruit presents, that means mainly fruits, strawberry, and these fruits mainly make from flowers At first, plants makes flower. From this flower, create fruits. And now, these are the different types of vegetables. So we know in this page, and also next page, page number 17, seed present. Different types of seed present. This was previous lesson. Now, today, especially, I will discuss about topic growing up. Growing up, the name of chapter 13. And now we know that all living things grow. Growing up, Bengali meaning বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া, বড় হওয়া, বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া, growing up. Living organism means this organism always grows, and at a time this organism will become a adult organism, such as a small baby at a time will become a adult person, as like as plants. In the same case, all plants grow. All plants will grow, and at a time a small seedling, Bengali meaning charagas, that means seedlings at a time will become a big tree. That means in this world, living organism means always this organism will grow, and at a time this organism will become a adult person or adult organisms, or also we can say that mature organisms. Now, especially all living things grow. We know all living things grow. This is true. Now, another, children become adults. That means at a time children will become adult. Adult, Bengali meaning prapto boyashko. Now, a baby girl grows into a woman. That means a baby girl will become a woman. Woman we know mohila or me. And now, a baby boy grows into a man. Again I say that a baby boy grows into a man. একটা ছোট্ট একটা বালক একটা মানুষে বড় মানুষে রূপান্তরিত হবে, রূপ ধারণ করবে। And now we have 5 sense. This is the another things, sense. That means we have 5 sense. Sense means we have 5 sense. These are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. That means in human being there are 5 types of sense present, and Bengali meaning pancha indriyo. This is called Bengali pancha indriyo. These are the first one, sight, that means vision. That means our eyes, vision. Sight, hearing, that means and always human being hear through ear. This is the hearing. Hearing, smell. Smell, always we take smell through nose. And now, taste. Always human being take taste through tongue. We know. Another, the last one, touch. That means skin. Touch is act as through skin, through our skin. These are the 5 sense organ. These are very important for human beings. That means in this chapter mainly discussed different types of sense organ: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Also from this chapter we will learn movement, jump, crawl, roll, etc. Different types of movement. Now, 5 sense organ. The first one, sight. First one, sight. That means vision. Sight. We see with our eyes. আমরা দেখি আমাদের চোখের সাহায্যে। Now, we can see how big or how far something is. আমরা আমাদের চোখের মাধ্যমে দেখতে পারি একটা বস্তু বা কোনো বস্তু কত বড় বা কত দূরে রয়েছে বস্তুটি। That means big. How big? কত বড়? How far something? কত দূরে? And we can see colors. আমরা আমাদের বিভিন্ন রঙগুলোকেও দেখতে পারি, লাল, নীল, that means red, green, etc. Different types of colors. Now, the another ones, hearing. Hearing is the another one kind of sense organ, and we hear sounds with our ears. Already I have said that আমরা শব্দ শুনতে পারি আমাদের কানের মাধ্যমে। Ears, 2 ears present in human beings. These 2 ears. That means we hear sounds with our eyes. We can hear loud sounds and soft sounds. আমরা শব্দগুলো শুনতে পারি খুবই জোরে আবার আস্তে। আমরা বিভিন্ন ধরনের শব্দ শুনতে পারি, louds and soft louds. This is the second sense organ we know. And then now third, smell. This is smell, the third sense organ, smell. We smell with our nose. Already I have said that. That means always we take smell through our nose. And now, nose, some things smell sweet, others smell bad. That means always we take 2 types smell, and especially one is good and other one is bad. We know আমরা 2 ধরনের সুগন্ধ অর্থাৎ 2 ধরনের আমরা স্মেলটা নিয়ে থাকি। একটি খুবই সুন্দর লাগে আর একটা আমাদের খুব খারাপ লাগে, যেটা আমরা গ্রহণ করতে পারি না। আমাদের our human body creates a different types of disorder condition when we take to bad smell. Now, the third number sense organ, that means taste. Taste, স্বাদ, and human beings, all organisms always take tasteful foods in this world. This is nature and this is true. Now, taste. We taste things with our tongue. That means জিহ্বা, tongue, our tongue, জিহ্বা. That means আমরা স্বাদ গ্রহণ করি কোনো বস্তুর বা যে কোনো কিছুর আমাদের জিহ্বার মাধ্যমে। Now, we can taste sweet, sour, bitter and salty foods. আমরা স্বাদ গ্রহণ করতে পারি, মিষ্টি স্বাদ গ্রহণ করে থাকি। আমরা তিতা স্বাদ গ্রহণ করে থাকি, bitter means তিতা, or another one sour, টক, and the last one salty foods, salty, লবণাক্ত খাবার. And this is the 4th number sense organ. Now, 5 number sense organ, touch, স্পর্শ করা. That means touch mainly acts as our skin. Touch. Now, we touch and feel with our fingers. Also, আমরা স্পর্শের কাজটি করে থাকি fingers, and fingers mainly is a one kind of organ. This acts as touch, স্পর্শ করা. And now, we touch and feel, আমরা স্পর্শ এবং অনুভব করতে পারি with our fingers, আঙ্গুল, হাতের আঙ্গুল, we know. And we can feel if something is hard or soft, rough or smooth, rough or smooth, and also hot or cold. That means we can easily identify which one is hard, which one is soft, কোন জিনিসটা খুবই শক্ত, কোন জিনিসটা খুব নরম, and soft, and also rough or smooth, কোন জিনিসটা মসৃণ, কোন জিনিসটা অমসৃণ. And also we can identify which one is hard and which one is cold through touch. And this is the 5 number of sense organ, স্পর্শ করা. Now the last one, movement. Movement also discussed in this chapter. Movement, ঘোরাফেরা, চলাফেরা করা. That means change place. That means organism always change place, one place to another place. And these types of theme is mainly called movement. We know. That means human being movement can different ways. We know, such as jump, crawl, roll, etc. That means movement. We move in different ways. And now we can run, jump, crawl, walk, roll, turn. Suppose আমরা বিভিন্ন মাধ্যমে কি করতে পারি, চলাফেরা করতে পারি. আমরা দৌড়াইতে পারি, লাফ দিতে পারি, ক্রল, হামাগুড়ি দিতে পারি, অ্যান্ড ওয়াক, হাঁটতে পারি, রোল, টেনে নিয়ে যাওয়া বা গড়িয়ে গড়িয়ে চলা, অ্যান্ড দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান টার্ন, হাঁটতে গিয়ে চলতে গিয়ে পিছন দিকে তাকানো বা পিছন দিকে দাঁড়িয়ে মানে দাঁড় করানো. দিস টাইপস অফ থিংস মেইনলি কল টার্ন. সাপোজ run, we run. And now another one, this is jump. আমরা অনেক সময় জাম্প করি. This is jump. Now crawl, হামাগুড়ি দেওয়া. That means in our house, our small brother or sister, that means during baby condition, they always crawl. That means হামাগুড়ি দেওয়া. And now roll, টেনে নিয়ে যাওয়া, টেনে, or গড়িয়ে গড়িয়ে. These types of movement mainly called roll. And then now last one, turn. Suppose now we are walking. And now this types of movement is mainly called turn. These types of movement mainly called turn. Now especially this is the lesson today. That means from chapter 13 especially, and we have learned different types of sense organ such as sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. And also organisms mean always grow. Organisms mean always grow. That means at a small seedling at a time will become a big plants, as like as a small baby will become at a time a mature person or also a adult person. And organisms always move from one place to another place, and the organism can move in different ways such as walking, jump, roll, turn, call, etc. These are the movement. Thank you everyone joining with us. Bye bye.